Yo estoy con dos mujeres de aquí en Cartagena. ¿Tu nombre?
Dayana.
¿Y usted?
María.
María. ¿Y eres de aquí, Cartagena? Ok, ¿hasta cuándo estás viviendo en Cartagena?
Siempre.
Siempre, okay, so you've always been living here. Okay, what is there here to do for fun? Qué es aquí para hacer, para divertido, para un hombre o para una mujer, generalmente?
Salir de rumba. También hay planes para ir a varias islas que son cercanas.
Ajá.
Tienen planes de pasadía y
Ajá.
se pasa chévere. Ir
Ok.
a la playa.
Ir a la playa. Okay, y hay buenos restaurantes aquí. Are there good restaurants here?
Y bueno,
¿Cuál es tu favorito?
a mí me gusta ese que está allá, que se llama el Punto Múltiple del Sabor. Y también me gusta que es más guapo.
Okay, okay. ¿Y usted?
Igual es lo mismo.
Igual, okay, okay. ¿Y usted es soltera?
Sí.
Ah, okay, okay. ¿Qué tipo de hombres gustan generalmente? ¿Colombianos o foreigners o Colombians o no importa?
Colombiano.
Colombianos, solo
A
colombianos.
mí no me importa.
Tú no me importa, okay, okay. ¿Qué piensas de? Where do you think I am from? ¿Qué piensas que donde yo estoy de?
¿De dónde es?
Adivina, take a guess.
Que adivina de dónde es.
Sí, de yo dónde es. Okay, ¿usted?
¿Alguna parte de Estados Unidos?
Sí, pero yo mudo a Estados Unidos luego. Entonces, tú gustas solo colombiana y tú gustas, no importa. Y ambas es solteras, both are single. Okay,
De momento.
okay. Entonces yo puedo tener tu número y podemos hablar y tal vez podemos. So yeah, my phone memory cut off and my phone was full, so I couldn't get the rest of the clip. But yeah, we exchanged numbers, had a few conversation, and yeah, things went cool. So here's a walking tour of Bocagrande for the rest of the video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you. So this here is Bocagrande, is alongside the ocean. A lot of places here to eat, a lot of restaurants, and it's pretty safe here. Nice hotels, large buildings. Is if you want to come to a place where it's updated, modern, this is the part of Cartagena you should come to. It's Bocagrande. Like I said, tons of restaurants, always some stuff to do. This is one street, but the main street is on the other side, so we'll walk over there. Today's a Sunday, so there's not that many people outside, and a lot of the places are closed, but still there's a lot of places that are open.
¡Ey, ¿para dónde la lleva?
Yeah, one thing to know is when you're in a foreign country and you don't have internet and you need Wi-Fi, always go to like a Burger King or Starbucks and you'll get the Wi-Fi. 9 out of 10 times you can connect to their Wi-Fi. Just a tip. All right, let's continue down this road. This is the main road here. A lot of shops, a lot of different little vendors and restaurants and things to do. The beach is down there, but it's not the best type of beach, but it's the local beach here. If you want to go to like the good beaches that have like the blue ocean and the water, that's called Playa Blanca, and you got to take a boat, and it's like on an island, and you got to get to the islands. That's where you can find the good beaches. But we'll continue down this strip, show you guys the plethora of things they have here on the street. very lively, a lot of music, a lot of people out. Sunday afternoon, beautiful. See little hotels they got here, like Hotel Bocagrande. You can sit here, sit outside, enjoy a nice football game, sports match. Nice little boutique hotel. That's a nice coffee chain they have here all over Latin America. It's called Juan Valdez. Pretty good coffee. Oh yeah, did you know Colombia is known for coffee? See, this is the beach side here. Like I said, that's the local beach out there. And it's good if you want to stay in the city and go somewhere local. You can head there, right down that way. So here we're continuing on. Got some American brand clothing companies here. Like I said, it's a pretty modern area. So a lot of places here. On this street here we have bars, restaurants. And let's cross over to the street. Okay, I need something to drink. I need a good juice or something. Walk in here, even 5 minutes, you start sweating, you get thirsty. Cartagena is hot. If you're a person, if you cannot tolerate the heat, if you cannot tolerate 85 to 95 degree weather normally, this may not be the place for you. Or you can still come, but then you got to go out only at nighttime after the sun goes down, pretty much. Restaurant, bar. A lot of tourists. Here's another bar. And here we have a little casino, some other nice hotels, Intercontinental Cartagena. Down that way there's a place, it's a place called El Laguito, which is very close to the ocean. Beautiful hotels over there, like the Hilton and a few other big hotels down there. And from there you can also take a boat to go to the other islands in Cartagena. And I will show you the other beaches in some other videos that I'm going to do here. So that'll be in another video. The beach will be in another video.